Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com working some algebra. Let's go down to linear equations, which can barely be seen there. And let's just click right there. Okay, now it doesn't look like the whole thing is on the screen here, and I really don't want to have to move it around, so I'll just have to tell you what it says. How's that? It says find the solution to the equation. In 8.1 we said find that number, but we're going to write this as an equation and then find the solution. So there you go. Okay, you can ask these things all different kinds of ways. We got 17 times a number, so if you did 8.1 you should at least know how to do part of this, or actually both parts. We have 17 times a number. Let's go ahead and write that down. So 17 times some number, we're going to let x be that number, increased by 7, so that means we're going to add 7 to it, is equal to, because is represents the equal sign, 4 times, that says times there if you can't see half of it, part of it, so 4 times a, there's an a over here to the right of times, number, 4 times the number, it increased by 19. Increased by 19, right? Okay, so there we go. We have now deciphered what this says and wrote it out mathematically. And so now what we want to do is find x. We need to find the solution to this equation. And that's actually not going to be too difficult, right? So let's see, what are we going to do first? We want to consolidate our x's, get them all to one side of the equal sign, and then get all our constants over to the other side. Now, since 17, this coefficient is greater than this coefficient, we're going to take this guy over to this side over here. All right, take it over to that side. And when we do take it over to that side, it's whatever the sign is out here, which happens to be positive. When we take it over, it becomes negative. So I'm going to actually start doing some shortcuts on this stuff. Alright, kind of showing you some shortcuts. Normally we would say minus 4x over here to this side, but we're going to start skipping that part. So we're going to take this, move it like a chess piece over to this side of the equal sign and make it a negative. Alright, now what are we going to do with this 7? Well, we're going to take it over here. Alright, take it over here, and so that means since it's positive, it will become a negative. So now we have 19 because we moved that over, and then minus 7. Alright. Okay, so we've got like terms here. Let's see what we can do here with that. We've got 17 minus 4. What is that? 13? 13x. Right. And then 19 minus 7 is 12, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 12, and so we multiply, right, or that's right, we're doing the shortcut now. So take the 13 and just move it diagonally down in this direction. So x is 12 over 13. Okay, so we're not going to be multiplying through anymore and doing all that kind of stuff. We're going to shorten this thing down. Alright, shorten it down like you'd normally do. So there you go. The solution is, we're going to write solution over here, is 12, whoops, 12, I don't know what happened, 12 over 13. Alright, solution is 12 over 13. Okay, so that's the number. And what are we going to do here? Scroll up, hit answer. You can type it in the box if you want. Actually, I think I am, just to make sure. I need to actually do that every time. We got to make sure everything's good. Okay, it's all working out. Alright, so there it is. Come on by gotomath.com. You can practice and practice and practice all you want, because you can't wear out the website. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.